Hi, welcome to my channel. I will teach here probability. I will teach here basics of probability. What the probability is. If I toss a coin, I have the probability to get either a head or a tail. If I throw a dice, then I can get either 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Okay. So the outcome, whatever I am getting, depends on the sample space. What are the possible outcomes? Okay. So probability is the chances of some event to happen. Okay. Some examples are here. It will probably rain today. How can I say it? Seeing the weather, I can say it's probable to rain today. Next, Indian cricket team can win this series. Watching the performance or analyzing the performance of the Indian cricket team, someone can predict that it can win that series or this series, and that he is probably right. He is probably right. If someone is honest, then we can say that he is probably right. Or watching the characteristics of his body language, we can predict he is probably right or wrong. Okay. Most probably BSE Sensex will cross 45,000 in first quarter of 2021. If market is going, if it's the bull market, then we can predict that BSE Sensex can cross 45,000. If it's the bear market, then it may be less than 30, it may be 25,000. Okay. Types of probability: experimental, empirical or observed frequency approach. Second is classical approach, and third one is axiomatic approach. We shall discuss here experimental or empirical or observed frequency approach. We shall perform some experiment and we shall get what the results are there. Okay. So experimental or empirical approach to probability. There are two possible outcomes, two types of possible outcomes. If I have a coin and on both the sides, if I have head, then if I toss a coin, I will always get a head. Okay. I will never get a tail. So this is the biased coin. So it's known as deterministic. If I toss this coin, always I will get a head. I can never get a tail because on both the faces I have head. Okay. And another is probabilistic or random. If I toss a coin and the coin is unbiased or a fair coin, then sometimes I will get head, sometimes I will get a tail. Okay. So this type of experiments, this type is known as probabilistic or random. Trial. What is trial? If I perform some experiment, then this experiment is known as trial. When an experimental, if an experiment is performed, it is called trial of the experiment. Elementary event, an outcome of a trial is an elementary event. If I toss a coin, then I can get a head or a tail. These are the elementary trials. If I toss two coins, then I can get both the faces head, both the coins I may get head, head tail, tail head or tail tail. These are the elementary event. If I throw a die, I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Then these are the elementary events. Okay. Another compound event. What is compound event? It is the collection of two or more possible outcomes of a trial of a random experiment. If I toss a die or if I throw a die, then I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Then compound event. Compound event means collection of two or more possible outcomes. If I say here, the outcome which is even, okay, even number outcome. It means what are the even numbers? 2, 4 and 6. Okay. If I say the even number greater than 2, then 4 and 6 only. Odd number greater than 1, 3 and 5. These are the compound events. Okay. Occurrence of an event. An event associated to a random experiment is said to occur or happen in a trial if any one of the elementary events satisfying its condition is an output. Okay. It is of an outcome. Okay. Occurrence of an event. For example, I have taken a die. If I throw it, I can get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. Okay. So these are the occurrence of the events. Some events may occur. Okay. Either one may occur on the top, or 2 may occur, 3, 4, 5, 6 may occur. 7 cannot occur. Okay. Because on there are 6 faces of the die. Okay. This is the cubical die, and on each face I am getting different number of points. Okay. Either it may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or 6. These are the occurrence of the events. And in next lecture I will explain some other terminologies and I will solve some questions here. Okay. Please like this video, share this video and subscribe my channel. Thank you.